All right, guys. All right, as you guys can see, works really well. Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we are checking out the NaTiddy 21 volt cordless chainsaw, 6-inch. So let's go ahead and open it up, show you guys what it looks like and how it performs. All right guys, let's go ahead and show you what is inside the box. Screwdriver, manual, gloves, the actual chainsaw, safety glasses, an empty, this says saw chain, but it's an empty bag. Okay, interesting. An empty saw chain bag and no chain in there. Okay, oh, there it is. So it must have fell out. You get 2 batteries. So there's a chain. It must have just came, yeah, it's brand new, so it must have just came out of the bag. Let's go ahead, and also your charging cable as well. So for charging, plug it into a 2-prong outlet, plug it underneath right here. So for charging, it's just going to plug in like that into the wall. Let's go ahead and show you the chainsaw. All right, guys, this is what it looks like. You got a little safety flap on the top there. So you got a safety feature, so you can't just pull the trigger. You have to push the button in the side right there at your finger and then pull. They give you your tool. It's going to be right here. That's for tightening and loosening your chain. So that's actually cool. They put that right there. Let's go ahead and test this out. That might be in there. Is there another root somewhere in there? Boy, just that. I think it's out. Oh, oh. There you go, guys. Look at that. Cut that pretty good. So, safe to say, it works very well.